Good afternoon, Anna. I appreciate you taking the time for this call. We've got some issues on our side and I'd like to address them promptly.
Good afternoon, Mr. Sato. Of course. I received your email and immediately reviewed the batch report. I'm ready to discuss the situation and propose some solutions.
Great. To give you the full picture, on July 1st, we received a shipment of 1,200 units of Model XJ504 touch controllers. Our quality control team conducted a spot check of 300 units. Unfortunately, we identified defective units. About 28 controllers had non-responsive touchscreens and abnormal boot sequences.
I see. That translates to around a 9% defect rate in the sample. Definitely higher than our standard acceptable quality limit, AQL, of 0.65%. That is concerning. I'd like to sincerely apologize for this issue. It's not in line with our quality standards.
We understand that no system is perfect, but this particular batch was meant for a fast-track order to a medical device client. Time is very tight, and the defective rate has impacted our production schedule.
I completely understand the urgency and the downstream effects this may cause. I want to assure you that we're already conducting a root cause analysis, RCA, to determine what went wrong. Early indications suggest it could be related to a calibration inconsistency at the final assembly line.
We suspected that. Our engineers observed that the faulty units all shared the same firmware version, so perhaps something went wrong during the update process?
That's very helpful information, thank you. Yes, we did implement a firmware patch in the last production cycle to address a known bug in the voltage regulation module. It's possible that the update script didn't execute properly on some units. We'll need to verify that.
I see. So what are the next steps? As I said, we're on a tight delivery timeline. Any delays will affect our customer commitment.
I understand. Let's talk about short-term containment and long-term corrective actions. First, for the 28 defective units, we can immediately dispatch replacements. I can expedite a replacement shipment of 35 units to cover any further findings. Would that work?
That would help. How soon can they arrive?
If we prioritize the order and ship via DHL Express, you'll receive the package in 3 to 4 business days.